This program was made possible thanks to a university and their support. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. It's me here with Minute Earth, and today we are super excited because we have a special guest, an actual real live baby. Welcome, little one. Can you say hi? So cute. So, in honor of our tiny friend here, we're going to be talking about babies today. Specifically, we're going to talk about how being a new parent means being a new teacher, and how even before kids can speak, they're learning language just by hearing the sounds of human voices. Like all good teachers, great teachers don't just show up on the first day of class. They prepare a lot in advance. Like right now, for instance, you're preparing for your baby's first day of class, which is their first day of life. See, from the moment your baby is born, their brain is working overtime. Hi there, making connections through every sound, every touch, every smile. The thing is, though, those neurons need things to connect to. They need stimulation, and that's where you come in. You are their first teacher. Just by holding, talking, or even singing to them, you're helping build a strong, healthy brain. Because every time your baby hears a sound or feels a sensation or sees a face, their neurons get a chance to practice connecting with other neurons. And the more they practice, the stronger those connections get. So let's get started. Let's see what it takes to be a great first teacher. First, some basic supplies. One most important thing you have is your voice. Babies are naturally drawn to the sound of human voices. And when it comes to your baby, no voice will be more important than yours. They'll hear your voice long before they ever see your face. So start talking to your baby early and often. Even if they don't understand what you're saying, they'll still benefit from hearing the sounds of language. Now you don't have to worry about sounding like a professional singer or having perfect pitch. In fact, babies don't really care about pitch at all. What they really care about is tone and inflection. So don't be afraid to sing songs, read books, or just chat about whatever's on your mind. As long as you're talking to your baby, they're learning. Bonus points if you use exaggerated facial expressions while you do it. Babies love it when you make funny faces. It is a great way to bond with your baby and help them learn about the world around them. Plus, it's just plain fun. The next thing you'll want to have ready is a collection of age-appropriate books. Babies love looking at books, even if they can't understand the words yet. Books are a great way to introduce your baby to the concept of language. Even newborns will enjoy looking at brightly colored pictures and listening to you read, so start reading to your baby from the very beginning. There are tons of great books out there for babies of all ages. So choose something that you think your baby will enjoy. Oh, look, a book about blocks. That's a great choice. Or maybe your baby would prefer something a little more silly, like this one. The possibilities are really endless. So have fun with it and read whatever you like, but it doesn't have to end at books. Babies are naturally curious about the world around them. So take advantage of that by pointing out interesting things as you go about your daily routine. Look at that bird. Isn't it pretty? Wow, that's a big dog. Don't be afraid to get creative. Babies are more interested in what you're doing than in what you're saying. So talk to them about everyday things like getting dressed or cooking dinner. Even though they won't understand the words, they'll still be learning. Just by listening to you, they'll be picking up on the sounds of language and learning how to communicate. Who knows? Maybe one day they'll even start talking to you about the things they learned in school. So keep talking, keep reading, and keep pointing things out. Your baby will thank you for it. All right, next up, we need some props. Babies love to explore with their hands and mouths, so make sure to have plenty of age-appropriate toys on hand. Babies are naturally drawn to bright colors and simple shapes, so look for toys that offer both. Blocks, balls, and stacking cups are all great options. Just remember to supervise your baby at all times, since they could choke on small parts. And don't worry if your baby doesn't seem interested in a particular toy. Every baby is different, so just keep trying new things until you find what your baby likes best. Okay, now that we've got everything set up, let's talk about how to engage with our little learners. So first up, let's talk about responsive care. This is one of the most important things you can do as a new parent. Babies learn best when they're happy and relaxed. So if your baby is crying, try to figure out what's wrong and soothe them before starting any activities. This might mean changing their diaper, feeding them, or just holding them close. It's also important to be sensitive to your baby's cues. If they seem tired or disinterested, take a break and come back to it later. The key is to be patient and understanding. Babies don't understand schedules like adults do, so be prepared to be flexible. Responsive care is not only important for your baby's learning, but it's also essential for building a strong bond with them. When you're responsive to your baby's needs, they feel loved and secure, which creates a positive feedback loop. This means they'll be more engaged and receptive to learning. So make sure to put aside time each day to give your baby the love and attention they need. Your baby will love it, and you'll love it too. Next up, let's talk about routines. Babies thrive on routine. It gives them a sense of security and predictability. So try to establish a regular routine as soon as possible. This might mean feeding your baby at the same times each day or taking them for a walk after lunch. Routines aren't just helpful for babies, they're also helpful for you. It makes it easier to plan your day and know what to expect. And who knows? Maybe your baby will even start enjoying the predictability of it all. Plus, routines provide a great opportunity for learning. For example, during bath time, you can sing songs or count to 10. While brushing their teeth, you can talk about the different parts of their face. There are plenty of opportunities to sneak in some learning while you're taking care of your baby. So get creative and have fun with it. Last but not least, let's talk about play. Play is an essential part of your baby's development. It helps them learn about the world around them and develop important social and emotional skills. There are tons of ways to play with your baby. You can play peekaboo with a blanket, roll a ball back and forth, or simply sing songs and make funny faces. The most important thing is to have fun and be silly. Babies love it when their parents are playful. Plus, playing with your baby is a great bonding experience. It gives you a chance to connect with your baby and create lasting memories. So make sure to set aside time each day for some good old-fashioned playtime. Your baby will love it. So there you have it. Those are some simple but effective tips for engaging with your babies. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy this special time with your child. Babies develop and learn at their own pace, so be patient and celebrate their milestones, big and small. Oh, and don't forget to sing, read, and talk to your little ones as much as possible. After all, those are the ABCs of being a great first teacher. Thanks for watching this episode of Super Simple, Songs for Babies and Toddlers. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more fun learning content. And be sure to visit our website to download our free educational resources. We've got songs, games, and activities that will help your child learn and grow. So head over to our website today and get started.